Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be working on the little Bonney clamp down bench vise. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a good look at this. This is the little Bonney clamp down bench vise. This thing is absolutely awesome. I really like it. I like the design. I like the I-beam slide on there. That's pretty cool. It is missing the little swivel clamp there, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm not going to use this vise. This is just going to be a display piece here in the shop. The handle, of course, it's bent up. We're going to have to straighten that out, pull this whole thing apart. So I say we jump right into it. Let me go grab some tools. All right, well, we got us some tools ready. Get this thing apart. Tight, very tight. There we go. Slide the little locking nut, the Acme screw, and the body. Get the little butterfly nut off there, and we'll be right back at it. So ordinarily these don't come right off. Looks like somebody had this apart at one time because one side here is flattened out, or it's just so gunked up. I think it might be just, yeah, that's just so gunked up with grease and nastiness it just slid right over it. That'll be an easy fix. We'll put the ring back on there, clamp it in place, probably put some channel locks on there, and that'll be that. We got to try and do something with this handle though. Straighten her out the best we can. Let me grab my anvil. Start working on this. Doesn't look like she wants to move either. Well, she does not want to move. Well, the handle is straighter. Let's take this stuff to the wire wheel. We'll get it cleaned up and get her soaking in some deoxy. Let's go. Alrighty, everything is all, for the most part, clean. I feel pretty good about that. Got the handle to move a little bit. Pretty happy about that. This is crushed downward, so it's stopping the handle. Clean, clean, and clean. We are going to add some deoxy. To this, and we're going to leave this until tomorrow. That is a lot cleaner. I am happy with that. We're going to get all this stuff out of the deoxy. We're going to get it wiped down and dried off and thrown on the wire wheel. Much cleaner. Well, the body came out nice. Super clean, like that. Both of the screws came out good. This body has got some nasty chatter along the edge here. We're gonna have to clean that up. Probably throw it in the vise, throw a file on it, and get it cleaned up a little bit. Other than that, I think it came out pretty good. It's in good shape. We definitely need to get in here with the little Dremel and clean up the rest of that inside the creases and crevices, but yeah, it's coming along. So let me throw this in the vise and we'll start filing on it. What do you guys think? A little bit better? I think it'll be just fine now. Wonder how that happened. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's fixed. So, all right, we'll continue cleaning this up. Alrighty guys, well, we are going to get this, oh, there it is. We're going to get this remounted, put back together. Get this thing put on the wall. You're probably not going to be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm using a screwdriver to put this collar back down around the two little tits that hang off the side of the Acme screw. Just got to be real careful with it because I don't want to break this little collar. I think I might be over it. Nope, not yet. There it is. Try and get you zoomed in there. As you can see, I put that collar back over those two little tabs. So the hardest part of this whole thing was that right there. But that one actually worked really, really well. I'm quite happy with that. We are going to lube this up. Lube up the screw. A little bit of oil in there, a little bit of oil around the top. Because we did strip the whole thing down, and I just want to make sure that everything kind of gets lubricated as it's being put back together. Then of course I'm going to wipe the entire thing down with oil as well. There is a real thin coat of satin lacquer on this, and that's just to try and preserve what we have going on here. So get the oil rubbed in there real good. Normally I'd like to soak this in a Ziploc bag with oil in it for like a week. That way I know it'll never rust up again. All the oil will be deeply penetrated, and yeah. But I think we are golden here, to be honest with you, because this thing was really, really clean. I think that is a nice looking little vise, guys. She operates fantastic. Really happy about that. And again, it's one I didn't have. All right. Well, I say we go hang it up on the wall. The little Bonney clamp down vise. I think it came out really nice, guys. I really do. Quite happy. Let me go make a spot for it. Be right back. Yeah, look at that. How cool is that? The little Bonney vise. Right on. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. That little Bonney vise came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. That's it guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.